Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, we're going to talk about SXP, guys. We got a big breakout on SXP. We've been bullish on SXP over the last few weeks, right? Since like SXP was 70 cents, we just hit nearly like $1.40, okay? Didn't quite hit 140, but depending which exchange you're using, we hit our resistance. So we talk about it like 132, 135 going to be resistance. As you can see, our green box could not basically take an easy ride above it, so it might be consolidating over the next like a few hours, few days. We're gonna talk about all of that good stuff, guys. So TRB, BTC also, guys, I gave you TRB, BTC, SXP, BTC, BZRX, BTC, TRX, BTC, all of them, okay? They breaking out except Tron. So if you're still holding Tron, right, you might be just patient, right, over the next like a few days and so on, right? It most likely going to break out big time. So load up on Tron, guys. Load up on Tron, load up on Tron. So let's go ahead and take a look at a BTC, all right, before we take a look at the good stuff. So Bitcoin, guys, beautiful setup in our premium. Bought the dip all the way down to 29.3. Guess what, guys? Guess what was the bottom? 29.2, guys. And we talk about it, guys. That was our weekly analysis. We're looking for another reversal to the upside, but is it done yet? Are we going to be pumping to the upside? Are we going to be breaking 29.2? That is going to be very important question to answer. We're going to talk about that setup in our live stream, guys. So let's get the popcorn party ready. Get those popcorn ready. Altcoin popcorn season about to start. Guys, hit the likes, subscribe, join the public Telegram group so you can get these great updates, guys. I've been treating you well, okay? Treat me well also, right? Hit the likes. So now let's take a look at BTC. That's a premium target, guys. You're getting guys premium targets, right? Premium targets in my public live stream. Okay, that's why it is so important to hit the likes, subscribe, right? Join the public Telegram group and hit the notification so you can get these good calls, right? So if you notice well, guys, most analysts, okay, they've been bearish over the last few weeks, okay? Let's go back, okay? So you got like you got some analysts, right? They are secretly bearish, okay? They're not gonna say we're bearish. They're scared to say, oh, I'm bearish. They're gonna be like, oh, we're gonna dollar cost average. You see what I'm saying? That's a new words, okay? That's a new word. We're gonna dollar cost average, right? So, but most analysts, okay, the most notable analysts in the crypto space, guys, they were bearish right here. Okay, what was going on right here, guys? Correction. What did we tell you, guys? What did Send Crypto told you? Okay, what did Send Crypto mention right here? We said we're gonna drop right here, 16.1 to 17.1, right? We're gonna pump back up 19.3 to 19.5, and we're gonna correct down right here, okay, anywhere around this box. And after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the upside all the way up to 24. Okay, I got all these setups in my premium group, so if you're in my premium group, you know exactly what we're talking about, right? So when BTC was correcting, okay, right around this area, okay, this V-shaped recovery, what we said, guys, don't buy the top right here, 24. We're gonna buy it right here, just about 21.5 to 22, right? After that, we're gonna pump it to the upside, and we're gonna wait at 23.950. Exactly, guys. I'm giving you guys targets that you're not gonna find anywhere, okay? I'm not just drawing, okay? I'm not talking nonsense, right? I'm talking pure sense, right? I'm not talking nonsense, right? So you can see, like, we talk about this move, right? Don't buy the top, buy right here and put your stop loss. And then once we break 29.350, 6 hour MACD crosses bullish, take it to the moon, take it all the way up to 30k, okay? Take it to the house. So what we did right here, right, if you take a look at it well also, right, what we said at 42 to 45 is like, just be cautious, right? Okay, it could be the top. And after that, we're gonna drop where? We're gonna drop right here, guys. We're gonna drop down nearly to the 2-day 21 EMA, and we're gonna reverse back up, right? And we're gonna retest it right here, and we could potentially get this double bottom right here. So we talk about it beautiful setup. Talk about it before it played out, right? and it is playing out beautifully. So what I'm expecting, if everything I've been expecting over the last 90 days, it is playing out beautifully, okay? What should I expect? I should just stay with the course, okay? It doesn't mean we're never going to be wrong, okay? We will be wrong at some point when market decides to ignore our setups, ignores our calls, and ignores our bullishness, right? And ignore everything. We will be wrong, but we will call it, and we're going to say we're wrong. Now we got to be bearish. What we're looking for, guys, it is like we got a potential to pump all the way up to 36.6, 39.6 potential, or even 40K area, okay? So it is not confirmed yet, but one thing has been confirmed so far. We got a nice support. We got a nice support, and at the same time, if you take a look at our 6-hour MACD, guys, that's very important, guys. Nobody talks about the 6-hour MACD. Only Send Crypto, guys. Only Send Crypto talks about 6-hour MACD. 6-hour MACD, what I told you guys, bang, okay? Beautiful divergence, okay? Beautiful divergence. So what I'm expecting over the next like a few days, few hours, or even like few seconds, right? We're gonna need to break a minor resistance at 34.5 to 35 range, okay? Why I'm calling it a minor resistance for now? It is minor, right? But it could be major. But right now we're just gonna call it a minor until we basically break above it, right? Because we also got another potential setup, which is a a wedge pattern. We're gonna talk about it after we talk about this possibility. So you take a look at it right here. That's going to be our next resistance, okay, for the bears. So they can take this one, okay. I would expect a strong rejection at 34.5 to 35 range, right, just to scare you guys, okay. It is going to be a once again a minor bearish setup, okay. It is going to be a minor bearish setup at 34.5, okay. And once we basically escape escape this bearishness and escape the sell-off, we're going to take it to the upside, 36.6 all the way up to 39.6 or 40K range, okay, depending on how bullish you are on the market, okay. Don't go by my targets, okay, just go by the range, okay. If I call for 36.6, okay, you might want to take profit at 34, 36.4, 34, 36.3. You see what I'm saying? It all depends how satisfied you are with your profits, all right. So now, guys, we just called it what? A minor resistance right there. So now let's take a look at it. Why it could potentially be a major resistance, right? Not a minor resistance. We got a potential wedge pattern, guys, okay. You see, Doom Boys, they're gonna call it what? A descending triangle, okay. It is easy, okay, to call this a descending triangle. It is a descending triangle. I don't have no problem with it, okay. It is a clean descending triangle. However, the subjectivity gonna come when I want to call it what? A wedge pattern, guys. So you got a wedge pattern, okay, inside a descending chart pattern, right? So you got two setups. So which one you gonna go with, okay? Which one you gonna go with, okay? If you go with the descending triangle, which is the white pattern, right here, can get rejection anywhere around here. That's going to be valid, guys. It is going to be valid. I won't have any problem with that. If we get a strong sell volume, I'm gonna be a bear and we're gonna take it down, okay. However, the wedge pattern we got right here, if we escape, okay, let's say we escape above the blue resistance right here, it is most likely going to create what? A moonshot, okay. It is going to create a moonshot, okay. I'm very excited today because I love the setups. We we did not panic on the sell-off. We did buy the dip, okay, especially alt SXP, okay, BZRX, we're still bullish on it. TRB, I'm still bullish on it. Qdom, Omizago, Tezos, you name it, okay, I'm still bullish on them. Tron, Dot, Link, okay, EGLD, guys, I'm still bullish on it, right? Even though it hit our target 55, it can still go much higher, right? So that's what I'm saying right here. I'm gonna go with the blue pattern. I know it is subjective. If you want to go with the white pattern, it is okay. You can be right, but your timing might be wrong, okay? Or I might be right also, but my timing might be, wrong. You know what I mean, right? It can still do this, okay? And my timing gonna be wrong, but I'll be right, okay? So let's hit the likes. What's up, KP in the house? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Miss Ethereum, okay? Accumulated Ethereum a lot, around $100 when Send Crypto said load up, right? Let's see who's in the house. Craig, get in the combo. Yes, Craig, you get in the combo. Tiffany Lee in the house. Hit the likes. She, okay, I hope that's a she, right? Hit the likes, right? Subscribe. Join the public Telegram group, and you're gonna get all those good calls, guys, from Send Crypto. Free calls, right? Free calls, right? Nothing is free, but I give you guys free calls, right? Peter in the house. Peter Ting. NKN and REN. Goon 031 in the house. Jude Moonboy 589 XRP in the house. He's still waiting for XRP 589, right? So that's a Moonboy right there. So guys, we know exactly what we're looking for. So now let's go ahead and take a look at 2019, okay? Guys, I don't make like 100% calls, right? So sometimes I get wrecked. So let's go back in 2019 when we got wrecked somewhere around here, right? So right there, okay, this call right here was we didn't get wrecked right here, but we got wrecked right here. So this call right here was an amazing call right there, okay? I remember exactly, I think it was like midweek Wednesday, something like that, and we were calling for this 92.75, okay, 93.50 actually, okay? And most Doom boys back then, okay, did not know what was going on, because I remember all these calls, guys, like down to the wire, okay? So let's go right here. The reason why I want to show you is like because we played it, okay? We played it the easy way and the hard way. The hard way was like when you short BTC at the bottom and sucker basically decide to pump to the upside, right? So right here we played it the hard way. We played it the hard way right here, right? Right here we played it the hard way, and right here we played it the easy way. So why the easy way? Because it was easy, right? Because we called a reversal at the bottom, not try to short it at the bottom right here. So I remember exactly, guys. If you go back in my Telegram group, you can even find these calls, right? So right here, okay, what we call, I remember also the hedge fund manager, whatever manager is, forgot his name. He was calling same exact number, but I was calling for like 93.50, but he was calling for like 92.85. So he got his 92.85, and we got the bounce right back up. And many people try to short it right here. I was like, guys, don't short it. So once we got the bounce back up, we pump all the way up to 10.9. Guys, remember 10.9 was a daily candle close, guys. A daily candle close right here. After the daily candle close, right, suckers, you know, started to pump to the upside. Okay, gave us the fake out all the way up to 11. Bang. Okay, we called it. We say do not short it right here. We long it right here, take profits right there, and we're gonna flip short right there. Beautiful call, right? But we played it the hard way right here, right? Because we were bullish. Okay, I was bullish at the bottom right here, right? I was bullish, right? We got the wick to the downside. We were looking for 88.50 to 99K. Okay, just being greedy. It wicked to the downside, and we said we're gonna wait for it to retest it. Okay, you know, when you're leveraging, okay, every dollar counts, right? So we were waiting, and sucker was just keep going, and then we ended up getting wrecked and got out. Okay, but the good news is like once we hit 12K, we were ready for 12K. And the reason why I'm showing you, because if you take a look at it right here, swing low to swing high, right, from the previous high, right there was 0.786. Okay, was 0.786 right there. So, and if you take a look at the correction we're making right now, okay, I just gave you guys a short analysis, right, so you guys can remember. So right there we got the three-way move, and then we got the double bottom right here, and we made this move to the upside. Okay, so if you take a look at it right now, okay, well, I don't want to make the same mistake again. Is like I don't want to short the bottom. Okay, I do not want to short the bottom. Hey man, can you check NKN? Let's focus on BTC first, the first 20 minutes, right? So if you take a look at it right there, we already got our three-way move. 1, 2, we got this beautiful correction right here, and third wave right there, and then now we're getting this move to the downside. Can we call it done deal? Yes, I think it is done, right? At least for me, right? I don't know about you. And we could get this move to the upside, very impulsive, right? And we could potentially look for 0.786 or 0.618, right? I would say 0.786, right? If I want to use the top, if you want to use this one, you can also call it 0.786 at 37, 38, 39, right? Okay, which is just going to be the double top region where we got rejected at what, 37.5, guys. I told you 37.5 also when BTC was where 33.6. Okay, we say 37.5 going to be the resistance. Okay, so that's going to be a major resistance, right? Again, depending how you want to look at it, right? That's the box we could be looking for, okay, as of now. Okay, and that's with the wedge pattern. Okay, the wedge pattern we just drew, right? The blue one, not the descending triangle one, right? Right there. Okay, that's a wedge pattern we're gonna be trying to play, and hopefully bull's gonna show up, understand what's going on, and not try to be some bears and try to short this sucker at the bottom. Okay, don't short BTC at the bottom. That's the only thing I can tell you. All right, are we doomed? Not, we're not doomed, Belford. We're not yet. Give it few days. Okay, what do you think about ontology? Ontology. Hey, Imran in the house. Oh, the only reason I remember is like because we played it in our premium group. Okay, so some of you guys were in our premium group. Some of you guys missed the call and all of that good stuff. Like KP, I think, was in the premium group. Also Jude was in the premium group, got wrecked that time too pretty well. Jude XRP on that move. So that's how I remember. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now we're done with Bitcoin. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum before we talk about Linky Lanka. Okay, so let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, guys, so what we said is like, I don't like that, I don't like this setup. Okay, but I just have to put it there just in case, right? Okay, I don't like this channel. I'm bullish. I would rather do it like this, but just to respect market structure, I just put it there. I'm still bullish, okay, on Link. All right, so Link, we got support right here, support right there, and a potential support if we get any wick to the downside. Support going to be again 1089, 1080. Remember 1089, that was our previous support right here when Link was what, 1380, guys. We called for the 1089 and a reversal back up. Okay, so we're still bullish. This move, it is a potential three-way move. If it is overextended, we can still drop back down to 1089 to complete the 1 2 3 4 5 right here, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and then we can still go to the upside. That's still possible. So Ethereum, it is still bullish. That's a takeaway. I don't want to spend too much time on Ethereum, but it is still a big boy. Okay, major support, if you notice well, on the lower degree right here, not the lower degree, but remember when we were so bullish on Ethereum right here, right? Some people wanted to short it at 500. I was like, don't short this sucker at 500, right? So, and I told you at 600, right? Ethereum doesn't have any resistance, right? Like from 400, 500, it doesn't have any resistance. Okay, even if we go back up to 600, it's gonna drop right back down. That's what I told you guys, exactly right here. Okay, I told you we got a correction right here. We're gonna pump, but we're gonna drop down. We're gonna retest it. We're gonna drop again. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the moon. That's what we did exactly. So if you don't understand what's going on, you might be confused with this triple correction right here. It is a W, right? It is a W. You got the fake out. Only Send Crypto basically understood what was going on. Most people shorted Ethereum right here. I was like, guys, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, let's just take it to the moon. So we hit basically our target at 718, 731. all of these targets, guys. If you join Send Crypto Premium, you're gonna see it. Okay, 718, 731. We hit our target beautifully. We said, guys, we're gonna be reaccumulating again, even though we just got out. Okay, 700 to 730 going to be a buy. Okay, very, very aggressive. Why? Because we just broke out from a beautiful accumulation range. Okay, I don't expect market to give us a big accumulation again above accumulation. You see what I'm saying? If you pump right and you make a beautiful accumulation right here, if you break this resistance, the only thing you can do, right, it is two things. Okay, either you're gonna wick back, retest it, or you're gonna make a small correction right here. Okay, and go ahead and take a look at what I'm telling you. You take a look at a Uniswap, same thing. When we were accumulating from like $3 to $3.50 to a $4 range, right? Actually $4 to $3.50, right? After we broke out like for $5, something like that, right? We just broke out. We kept pumping. Okay, we still pumping all the way up to $14. Same thing right here. We broke out. So I did not see any reason why Ethereum was gonna drop down. And I showed you guys, I was over 300% up on Ethereum long from 750 right here. Okay, it was accumulating on the pump to just above resistance right here. Went crazy on Ethereum all the way up to the top, guys. So if you're in my public group, you saw that 300% again on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum long. So, and it was only 5x, not even like 10x and all of that good stuff. Only 5x, guys. So Ethereum short term bullish. Okay, so now let's take a look at Ethereum, a potential long-term view. So we got 20 minutes already between 20 minutes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So let's take a look at Ether on a 7-day chart. So if you take a look at Ether on a 7-day chart, we do have a high sell volume at the top. That's okay. Okay, it is slightly bearish, right? But in order to basically pump above resistance, we're gonna need a higher volume. Okay, we're gonna need a higher volume to pump above resistance. On a 7-day basis, we already recoup like 90% of the sell volume. So that's pretty convincing. And we got 24 hours, right, to close the I think on the 29th, right? We got almost 24 to 48 hours to close a candle. So I don't see like the 7-day candle closing red. So Ethereum, once again, it is bullish. If we drop down right here, that's what I just said, 1080, right? You cannot see it on the 7-day chart, but you can see it on a lower degree. Okay, that's why 1080 is so important. 1080, 1089. Okay, if you forget about it, just think about 1080p and 720p. Okay, that's the best way to remember it. Okay, so 1080 right here, right? Keep an eye on 1080, right? So Link is about to take us back to the promised land. Oh yeah, Link is stinky, Linky Lanka. Let's take a look at Link. Okay, we're done with Ethereum. We know what we're looking for. So Link, guys, our premium group, guys. Our premium group, okay? Link, what we said, guys. Remind me, if you're in the premium group, buy at support 4 to 6 hour, 100 EMA, $19 to $20. Bang, guys. Bang. Beautiful setup, okay? So right here, you take a look at Link. I told you Link is breaking out on a weekly basis. Link is not breaking out on the 8 hour, 6 hour. Okay, the breakout, okay, was on a 7 days basis. Okay, you can see we got this wave drop down here down to $8. Got a nice 7 days breakout, retest almost 80% of the body candle, broke out, got rejected 50%, retested 50% of the body candle. Link doesn't have no business at all, okay, in this range. The business I'm looking at for Link going to be $32 all the way up to $37. And I showed you in terms of trend lines. Okay, if you want to do it in trend lines, you can. Okay, if you want to do it in Fibonacci, you can. If you want to do it in Elliott wave, you can. Send Crypto give you the combo, guys. I'm giving you guys the combo, the best analysis in the crypto space, guys. The best analysis. You don't want to see a moon boy Send Crypto, guys. I'm telling you, guys. You don't want to see a moon boy crypto Send Crypto. I'm giving you the best analysis, okay? I'm giving you the combo. I'm giving you guys the combo. Okay, the moving averages, Elliott wave, MACD, RSI. Okay, you know, patterns. Okay, candles. Okay, BTC pairing. Okay, all of that, guys. You get it with Send Crypto. Okay, I just don't show you one setup. Okay, like repeating setups. I'm showing you like multiple breakout patterns for most of these alt. Okay, so link 25 to 27, it is still resistance, but on the lower degree. Okay, weekly basis, we already got the you know, we already got the crossover right there, so we're still looking good. If we're going to be creating a higher high right here on our weekly MACD, guys, link gonna be so pumpy. It's gonna pump so hard. All of you guys you know, gonna be so happy. All right, all of you guys gonna be so happy. Morning, Peter in the house. Peter Moonboy in the house. Yeah, thanks a lot, Tyler. Tyler is in our premium group. You ask Tyler, okay? Ask Tyler what type of calls he gets in Send Crypto Premium. Okay, I'm a moon boy, guys, but when we're dropping, we're not scared to short these suckers. Remember one thing, okay? When market was dropping back in September, October, and BTC was pumping, we were shorting these suckers, okay? Like SXP, SNX, okay, Uni. We were shorting everything, and people in the group did not understand why I was shorting these suckers, because you know, because they say you're calling for a Bitcoin pump, but you're shorting alt. I'm like, guys, that's what the chart is saying. Okay, so let's move on to alt right now. So BAT, guys, I give you guys a great setup on BAT. Okay, we hit target beautifully. Okay, 37 beautifully, guys, both on the BTC pair, right, and on USD pair. The BTC pair, I reset the chart, I deleted everything and all that good stuff, but you guys know, okay, in our premium, we also hit it. Okay, it is going to be a good hold over the next few weeks, guys. I just don't know right now if sucker want to basically do this and do that, right, or if sucker just gonna ignore everything and give us a moonshot. But one thing I know, if you take a look at my arrow, it is going up. Both of them is pointing up. Okay, so next upside resistance for BAT, it is going to be right there, just about 1400. Okay, another 40% breakout. All right, if you want to play the trend line, guys, right, you can play the trend line, but it is a hold. It is not something like I would be day trading. Okay, it is a hold. Beautiful bottom formation right here. I told you before the breakout, just like what you remember, CRV, guys, is 400% up right now. Okay, remember Kusama is 100% up right now. Okay, I told you guys Kusama gonna break out. I told you BNB gonna break out. Okay, it is 20% up versus BTC, but some of you guys cannot understand why BNB is still you know, at $40, 41, because BTC is not moving up, so BNB cannot move a lot in USD, but it is up 25% versus BTC. All right, so let's take a look at BNB. So if you take a look at BNB, this sucker finna pump so hard. Okay, one thing I told you, okay, we got a support right here. Either way you look at it, just like I showed you with what, BAT. Okay, we can do this, right, and do that, or we can just get the moonshot. We just don't know. But one thing we know, the directional move is up. So if you take a look at the BNB pair, bang. Okay, we said it is okay if market sells off, right, buy the dip. Okay, first resistance is right here, second resistance right there, third resistance up here. So the directional move is up. No need to basically short this sucker. And we talked about in mid-January, we said BAT right here, buy the dip, 100,000 sats, 100,000 to, you know, 107,000 sats. And if you take a look at it, since like January 14th, it is up 30% versus BTC. Okay, so if you don't understand what's going on, BTC is down 30% nearly, right? So BAT cannot go up in dollar value because BTC is down 30%. However, if BTC pumps back up to 40, you know, 40 to basically 40,000, BNB USD gonna be up a lot. Okay, it's gonna regain that 30% gain in USD value. And if BNB BTC keeps pumping, another 30% right here. You're looking at like almost BNB going up to like $80, right? So guys, that's the 3D factor you get from Send Crypto, guys. We're gonna talk about NKN. We're gonna talk about NKN. Let me just get my let me just get my my setups right. So I'm fired up because I'm bullish right now, right? And we're gonna take a look at NKN, right? So everything is green, green. Only SXP is red, right? Not red, but 0.1% red. But SXP Ethereum is down 2%. SXP Ethereum, I showed you something, guys. I think I sent it in my premium also, and I was like, if you're holding some Ethereum and you're looking to grow your Ethereum, right? Increase your Ethereum, right? When SXP Ethereum was like 0006, right? 0.0006, I was like, it is going to pump 100% versus Ethereum. So let's say you got one Ether, right? And you're looking to double it. You just put it into SXP and it could basically double versus Ether. And once we hit 0.0013, you just go back to Ethereum. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Okay, and if you take a look at EGLD also, right? EGLD Ether, right? They don't have a Ether pair on Binance, but you can always do it on TradingView. What I did was you just typing you don't need to put Binance and all of that good stuff. Just put EGLD USDT / right ETH USDT, okay, and you hit enter, bang, okay, bang. All right, so and you got your setup, right? So if you do that, you're gonna get your setup and you're gonna look for a potential resistance versus Ether. So we talked about it when it was like 0.03 Ether, just about 3% of Ether, okay, and we said it's gonna pump all the way to 0.043. So you're gonna increase your Ether by 30% by buying some EGLD and hold it, okay, regardless of what Ether going to do. Okay, if Ether drops and EGLD drops, Ether gonna drop 30% more. Okay, that's what it is. If Ether pumps and EGLD pumps, EGLD gonna pump 30% more also, right? So it means you're gonna increase your Ether 30% regardless of the market conditions, right? So great call right here. We also just hit it, right? So let me go ahead and take a look at the chat room right now. So cover OXT, I'm pretty bullish on that OXT. You must hack my premium group for asking OST. CHR, I'm bullish on CHR, man. You guys must hack my premium group, man. BAX, never heard of BAX. I will take a look at it. Wi-Fi 2, the Twin Towers, we're gonna take a look at it. Just remind me if I forget, okay? But I will take 1 inch pumping hard. Yes, that sucker, call it 100 inch. It's not pumping like in 1 inch. Famine in the house. Yes, you get the combo. You get the fries. You get the drink with the burger and free 99 cent drink. Yep. You get a free coffee. Yep. You want to be notified more. You want Adam says I want to be notified post move. I don't know what you mean, Adam. Where's the Discord? Discord in look at the in the description. You can basically join the Discord also, but you're not going to be able to access the premium setups, right? We need to collectively pump Link like a GME. We don't need to do that. Link is doing its own thing. Link is like over 100x over the last 24 months. So Link is gonna take care of business, man. So Ismail Ali in the house. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at NKN first, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at 8 hour. Let's take a look at NKN BTC. So NK just shoot up, shoot up. So beautiful setup. It is still a hold, so I wouldn't be messing with it. Just hold it. Nice divergence, right? Looking to break, you know, wedge pattern. Support level was right here, just about like 40-50 sats. So you're looking good. Okay, 100 sats, could be looking for like 164, and a big one up to like 300 sats, right? So that's the only thing I got for NKN. Major resistance up to 350. Okay, but you're gonna have to deal, once again, you're gonna have to deal with 164 right there. Okay, deal with 164 first, right? But it is a good hold as of now. If it dips, it is just going to be a correction. You're already above your daily MACD already above histogram, so any dips right here just going to be a correction, and you can suck it up, take it to the moon, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at so I think NKN was the first one. So guys, hit the likes. Okay, we got 89 watching. Okay, YouTube been basically censoring my channel, so I usually don't get more than 100 watching like on everyday basis, right? Because most of you guys don't receive my notification. So subscribe first, right? Hit the notification, right? And hit the likes. I know you can hit the likes later on, so you do that last. Hit the subscribe, subscribe, right? Hit the notification, and you can hit the likes later on, okay? So let's go ahead and check REN. REN, REN protocol. REN BTC. We just talked about it yesterday, I think. Not you. Okay, REN, as we said, it's gonna reverse, right? It is just correcting. So low volume, price decreasing, that's pretty bullish. Don't be scared about this MACD crossing bearish. It is just going to be temporary. You might already got your bearishness on an 8-hour basis, so it is just temporary. Okay, so pretty aggressive. Okay, I've been watching REN anyway on my own, so we could be pumping all the way up to 3,500. That's another 100% move. Okay, in terms of wave, you could look at it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a potential 5, and another reversal and back up. So it might take you a few, you know, depending on volatility and how bullish the market is, to get to 3,600. But either way, the directional move is up. You just have to take care of this range. That's it. Okay, but pretty bullish. Primary support, you're already at primary support. Secondary support right here, 50% to 0.618. Okay, just about 1,200. Okay, but it is the momentum looks like it is up as of now. Okay, Wi-Fi 2. I don't know why I don't take a look at Wi-Fi 2 in BTC. So this sucker finna pump. You already got the all the ingredients you need, right? You got your bullish divergence on a 2-day basis. We're gonna take a look at it. That's the hourly, guys. These moves always, okay, whenever markets, okay, give you something like this, okay, a straight sell off to the downside, right? And you get your reversal like that, right? Short-term reversal, and after that you get a big move like that. It is always a divergence. You don't need a MACD or RSI to confirm it, right? It is always 99.99999% it is going to be a divergence, right? So what you got right now, you got beautiful setup, beautiful divergence. Let's move on to the 2-day time frame. I'm very bullish on this sucker now. Okay, I'm already bullish on it. We got target, like we already hit our previous target almost at 25, right? 25.50, 25.93. We're gonna take a look at it. So we got this move, okay, that's already bullish. My only concern is like MACD on a 2-day basis is not yet above the histogram. That's the only concern. So just in case we get rejection and have to retest the bottom again, okay, but that's not what the daily time frame is calling for. Okay, So we're just going to suck it up since like the rest of the market is responding well, okay, with the bullish moves. So we're just going to look for this move, okay, and right here, resistance, support, once again right there. It's not going to change anything about the structure. It is just going to be a delay, okay. If we get a delay, it might retest the bottom twice again, okay, but the next move to the upside is going to be very strong, okay. So it is bullish, it is a hold, okay. So let's take a look at it on the USD pair, because I've been recently been trading it on the USD pair. So USD pair, we did quite hit the exact number I was looking for. That's why I'm saying when I give you some targets, go by the direction, okay. We talked about it when it was like 1500. We said we're gonna pump to 2550 to 26. We did hit exactly the same level, okay, just about 25-23 range, okay. It dropped down in a three-way move, okay. It is a double bottom right now. If you want to play the trend line game, you can also do that, right? Play the trend line games and look for a reversal. So yes, it could be choppy, it could do something like this again, all right, so be cautious. But we got 38 target to the upside, just gotta be patient, right? So if it pumps to basically a 3,200, retrace down to 2,000, it is still going to be bullish, okay. I'm buying another Dodge coin. I got my popcorn ready. Hey, what's up, Reef MF? Get the popcorn ready, buy the Dodge coin. BAX. Let's take a look at the BTC, man. I like the BTC pairs better, unless. Okay, what do you want? Okay. I mean, I can't do anything with this. Low volatility, low tank. So can't do anything with it. So let's take a look at the BAX Ethereum. Okay, kind of looks better. I don't know anything about it, but this guy likes to do some moonshot. Very accumulative over the next like over the last, just like crypto, right? Just like the rest of the crypto. I really can't do anything about it. It's really has a very low volatility right here. Yeah, but it is accumulated. It looks like it is ready to pump, but the volume is so low you can't even see nothing. Yeah, but you got your wedge pattern, beautiful accumulation right here. So I think I would just suck it up and hold on to it, right? Pump from 2 sats. Is there 2 sats? Yeah, 1 sats, and right now it's like 600 sats. So 2, 4. No, 6 sats, not 600 sats, 6 sats, right? Right here. It was 1 sat to 6 sats, so that's like 7x. So let's see what we're gonna get over the next like few weeks. It was like 300 sats back in December 2019. So I would just hold it. If you bought it at 1 sats, it's only like almost 7 sats right now. So I would just suck it up, hold it. Hey, what's up, Broad? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Lowell in the house. Mong Realism in the house. Ocean USDT. I'm bullish on Ocean USDT. BTC looks like it's ready to moon. Yeah. Somebody promoting PIVX. Okay. You're welcome, crypto beginner. Crypto beginner, be careful with those 1 sats coins. I know it all says buy Stellar now, you will thank me later. Oh man, welcome back to 2017. Ethereum is on the move. Let's go and take a look at BTC. Guys, you guys being surprised about these moves like I'm not, okay? Like I make these calls, guys. I make these calls, so we're not surprised, right? If you're in my premium, you're not gonna be surprised. We make these calls. That's the premium calls, so we're not surprised at all, okay? That's a premium call, all right? So BTC down, what is he doing? Let's take a look at BTC down before we take a look at you guys again, right? So the BTC down, I showed you guys, BTC down, it is very, very important. If we get rejected right there, BTC is going to be a long. However, if the BTC down, okay, breaks above 33 cents, guys, BTC is going to be a short, okay? And we could be a more, we could be some doom boys, okay? But let's see if the BTC down. That's what I was expecting. If you watch my previous analysis, I showed you guys exactly as it is happening right now. Okay, that's exactly what I told you. When the BTC down was right here. Okay, right here. What we got? We did what I said, guys. Okay. So you can go back and watch any of my analysis. Most of you guys are pretty much like watch all my live streams, so you know exactly what I was talking about, right? When the BTC down was giving us this move, what I said, it's going to drop down here. But if it drops down here, it is going to be very bullish. And what does it mean? It means BTC could get rejected around like 37.5. Guess what? BTC down, going to pump to the upside. Rejection right here, okay? Right here, right here. So that's a clear double top. So what we're going to be looking for, we're going to be looking for a potential retest of the low right here, which means BTC could retest 34.5. okay? So BTC down with retesting right here going to coincide approximately with BTC retesting 34.5, which is basically the wedge pattern I was just showing you, okay? If you take a look at the wedge pattern, right, we said we got a minor rejection right here. So that's going to confirm the BTC down need to break below this range, okay? Need to break it. If it breaks it, we're not gonna be worried about the minor resistance right here, because we know the BTC down is going down and BTC is going to go up. Bang, guys. So BTC, guys, we nailed it. 29.3, guys. That's what we were expecting. As low as 29.3. Sucker drop all the way down to 29.2, guys. Beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful setup. Take a look at Send Crypto Discord channel, guys. Right here, guys. On the 23rd, guys. Guess what? What was the price of BTC? $32. Bang. Bang, guys. Bang. So MACD is crossing bearish. I don't trust it. Right here, we're going to suck it up on the hourly basis, right? And look for a double bottom right there. That's what you get with Send Crypto, guys. You get the combo. You get one of the best calls right there, okay? One of the best calls in Send Crypto, guys, right here, okay? Right there. BTC hit the 1 hour 100 EMA, guys. You see how we nailed these targets, guys? You see how we nailed these targets, guys? You see how we nailed these targets, guys? Bang, okay? Bang, right here. The first drop, 307, 31.7 support. Okay, and then we took it back up to 35.7, right? Right here, when we bought the dip right here, we took it all the way up to the upside. Okay, right here. That's what we said. We're gonna take it all the way up, guys. All right, all the way up, guys. Look at it. 31.7 support. We bought the dip. Okay, it pumped to the 6 hour 21. It's gonna retest to 31.7 to 32.7. It did that exactly. Okay, right here, when everybody was panicking, BTC at 6 hour 100 EMA and 30 to 21 EMA at the same time. Buy range 305, 28.5, guys. Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? Hit the, hit target beautifully, guys. Beautifully, guys. Beautifully, guys. Right there. Okay, so that's what you get with Send Crypto, guys. That's what you get with Send Crypto. You get one of the best calls, right? In the crypto space, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, guys, I was bullish on Bitcoin Cash, really, right here. I was expecting 600. We did not hit 600, but we hit 550, right? But what I told you, after we got rejected, look for what? 372, guys. 372. So it is at 372. It is primary buy range, and we're gonna wait over the next like a few hours, few days, right, to basically confirm the reversal. The reversal is not yet confirmed, right? MACD is still facing, you know, it is still not that strong, so we could face like some tough time to get the breakout. All right, but keep an eye on it, and we could potentially see a big reversal. I will update the next target as we are already at support area. Okay, we're already at support. I'm going to update the next target. Resistance going to be 520 up to 600 range. So Kava. Let's take a look at Kava BTC, because I like Kava BTC better. So Kava BTC, we talk about buy range right there, just about 5,000, right there. So we're still looking for the move to the upside to a 9,300, right? 9,000 to 11,000. Okay. Any dips, it is just going to be accumulative, right? It is just going to be accumulative right there. Yeah. Let's take a look at it on the 2-day basis. Yeah, on a 2-day basis, it looks like it might lag a little bit, but let's see. Okay, but support is right here if you only care about the BTC pair. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes, guys. We got 112 watching. So if you're new to our channel, welcome to Sun Crypto, right? One of the best crypto analysts, macro view and short-term view, guys. We just don't do like 15 to a 6-hour time frame. We also do like monthly, quarterly, yearly, 50-day cycle, and all of that good stuff. So okay, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. So USD pair. So Kava, we got target up to $3, but let's see. It is still a hold. Okay. Yeah, we got target up to 0.618. Got rejected at 50% pullback. If you remember well, our first target for Kava was like 250. Okay, and second target was $3. We hit first target, dropped down, and I upgraded it again, and I said we can still hit the $3 range. Okay, so just give it some time. It can still drop down to like 1.8, 1.7. It is still going to be okay, just to retest this range, and we could move. Okay, just give it some time. If you're leveraging it, make sure to keep it low. You're not gonna survive anything higher than 3 with this alt. Just keep it at 3 or less, even 2, right? Because the target is like almost like 40% move, right? So just keep it at 2 and you can enjoy it, right? So Ethereum is pulling back up. Let's take a look at the daily. We're getting a daily reversal for Ether. Daily 21. We're still not breaking it. Even down to the 2-day time frame. Even if we drop once again the 2-day 21 EMA at 1080, guys. So we're looking for 1089 potential. If it drops, 1089 gonna support it, right? So Diego in the house. Guys, don't be cheap with your fingers, guys. Hit the likes. Hit the likes, guys. Make it blue. Don't be cheap, guys. You get one of the best calls in the crypto space, guys. We send crypto. All you have to do, right, to help the channel grow, right, and be one of the best channel in the crypto space, all of you guys gonna benefit out of it, okay? Because you're gonna get new subscribers with new ideas. They're gonna be asking better questions. They're gonna be asking about new project you might not know, and all of that good stuff. That's the benefit of growing your channel. For instance, CHR, right? I knew CHR, but I was not basically looking at the chart, right? But some of you guys ask about CHR, and I look at it. I did my research, right? Did my analysis in terms of charting, right? And I liked it, and I got a great call for CHR right now. That's the benefit of having a great community, a big community. Not just great, but big community. Okay, you can have a small great community, but the bigger it is, the better it is. All right. So let's just help each other out. I'm helping you out, guys, with some great calls, right? You got your popcorn at your house and all of that good stuff. Watching some crypto, eating your popcorns. I'm making these calls. Just hit the likes, okay? So let's get the likes to 100 likes, all right? Let's get it up. Make it blue. How to join the Discord? The link in the description. So if you're looking to upgrade, once you join the Discord group, you want to upgrade to the premium group, right? You can send me a message, all right? So XRP to the moon, not yet. So let's take a look at A for Diego. Diego, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? Make sure to do so. Now, I'm not going to be like one of those YouTubers, like telling you, hey guys, subscribe and all of that good stuff. I'm telling you to subscribe. I'm giving you orders. So I'm giving you targets. So I got to give you orders too, right? Subscribe now. Okay? If I do any analysis for you, you have to subscribe. You gotta give to take, right? So right here, BTC, we hit our target, right? It is still a hold, okay? It is still a hold. USD target is like 339. It is already at 339. That's a premium target also, right? From like right there to almost like $80. We said our target was like 165. But after I upgraded it, okay, up to like 339, and we got another target up to like 760. So if it is still a hold, okay, we can take it all the way to 760. But let's see what type of correction we're gonna get from like a 290 to a 350 area, okay, before we start talking about the 750 target. I got the setup, but I just haven't talked about it yet, right? So it is still a hold. Let's take a look at OXT. So let me change the layout. Okay, you guys getting all my premium setups, man. You guys getting all my premium calls. It doesn't matter. Even if I change the layout, I got the same calls, right? But let's take a look at OXT. So OXT, it is still a hold, okay? It is just consolidating right here. So you could be getting the breakout very soon. Hopefully it is going to break out without a retest of 800 sats, okay? Anything below 900 sats, it is going to be a buy, okay? You got resistance up to basically almost 1600, right? So IOTA, let's take a look at IOTA. IOTA BTC here. So IOTA BTC, it is still a hold, right? Just consolidating. So wait for this move, right? Could consolidate longer, but you don't control time. You just control the buying pressure. Okay. So if it doesn't want to, if it doesn't want to correct in time, it just can moonshot, right? But this move is pretty impulsive, so you might lag a little bit to a breakout, but it is still a hold, right? Tev, hey, what's up, Ahmed in the house? What's my thought on Tether? I don't know. I do the charting. So let's take a look at Bruno in the house. Rodel. Everybody's having a good day. Thanks a lot, Smelly Fiddy. So let's take a look at Tether. Tether BTC. Let's go ahead and take it. So Tether BTC is double topping. So it is double tapping, low volume right here, so it's going to retest the top potentially, right? So it is still a hold. You got a trend line support right there, so still a hold. Okay, nothing crazy, it is still bullish, right? But let's see, if we break the support area right here versus BTC, the bigger support range going to be right here. Okay, Tether USDT. So Tether USDT is still correcting, nothing crazy also, right? If we break out above $2.50, that's going to be a moonshot, right? And you could be looking for a potential target up to like a 316, 29 to 316. Okay, 29 to 316. That's the next level of resistance. Okay, just for a just for a consolidation range. Downside target again. Okay, it could just retrace down to 0.618, just like BTC, right? I mean, just like, you know, the BTC chart right here, September, October breakout. Okay, so 382 going to be right there, just about $9. Okay, $39, excuse me. Okay, but it is still going to be bullish because I like the three-way move right here. A drop down just going to be a great opportunity, even to buy down now, buy again at like $1.15. But it is just going to be short-term reversal, right? It could still be a continuation pattern after that, right? Just like what we got right here. If you don't, you know, we did drop right here, but we double bottom consolidating right here. I was kind of bearish in this range, but I was like, oh, let's just wait. We have to break below 55. So, and I was not that bearish. Okay, afterward. So. Thanks a lot, Tiffany. Thanks a lot, Tiffany. Yeah, guys, other crypto space, you know, you have to tip to get your answers and get your question answered, right? And you just get like rough estimate, you know, oh, we got support right here, we got resistance right there, okay? But I'm giving you targets, okay? Not like, you know, look at SXP. Look at what I give you on SXP, guys. I'll give you, you know, on my other layout, you guys seen it, okay? I told you guys, this sucker is beautiful, okay? This is beautiful. This is gonna do this, guys. Just like the pound last year, when the pound was making the same structure, gold, silver made the same structure. BTC back in March also made the same structure, March 24th, 25th. That's the same setup we got, and we called it a move to the upside, right? So, how Stinky Link is doing? Stinky Linky Lanka Link is doing okay. Just a hold, guys. It is doing okay. Just a hold. It is just a hold. It is just a hold. So it is just a hold. Okay. We talk about it. You know, we talk about Link the first 20 minutes of the video, so you can go back and check it out, right? Allah Ataya Allah in the house. He says, let's take a look at BTC. BTC up or down, band USD. So guys, who's already subscribed? If you already subscribed, right, make sure to join the public Telegram group, okay? Make sure to join the public Telegram group. Oh, Zilliqa, it is still moving sideways. I like Zilliqa, but right now it is not creating high volatility. I try to trade it right here up, you know, up to like 8.5 cents right here, 9 cents, but it is very, very choppy right now. We just got to give it time to develop a better structure. But if you try to trade it right here, you might get stopped out a lot. Okay, you got a potential breakout set up very soon, so just give it, you know, give it time to develop, right? Even if you get a nice triple bottom right here, it is still going to be okay, and then you're going to get the moonshot. It is bullish on the macro scale, right? It is very bullish. Zilliqa BTC, nice bear flag right here, bull flag, excuse me. So we can take it to 0.618 at 280 to 300 sats. I already talked about EGLD, man. EGLD, we got target at 55, but it is still a hold, right? I wouldn't mess with it right now. I just changed my layout, that's why you guys cannot see it. But EGLD, if you notice well, what I told you was like, you do this, you do that, and you can take your profits right here, okay? Right here. Okay, that's what I told you, up to 0.618, right? So if you played it well, you're already taking profit. It is still a hold, okay? It is gonna come back down though. It's gonna come back down right here, 48 to even down 47 potentially. Right here, it's gonna drop slowly right there, slowly, and then you're gonna get this move to the upside. Why is 0x breaking out? Got me tapping 0x. ZRX. If you want to know why it is breaking out, you always gotta check the BTC pair. If it is bullish versus BTC, then it is, yes, it is breaking out. Okay, it is bullish versus BTC. Right here, same setup as Kava. Kava is right here and right there. Okay, so it looks good. You can take it all the way up to 2,600, another 25% move. Okay, so let's go back to TRB. I'm bullish on TRB, guys. I told you about TRB. Man, you guys got me going to my other setting, man. I gotta. Okay, yeah, it is breaking out, but still got more time. Guys, look at the link, guys. We nailed our link buy range 20.2, guys. Look at it right here, 21.2, okay, to 22, guys. That's what we said in our premium group, guys. In our premium group right here. Take a look at our premium group, send live, check the pin message, right? That was the first call, right? Last week when link was dropping, we said buy 18.5 to 17.5. We got that move, right? And then this one right here, right? We said link hit our target, you know. So next buy range again going to be 20.2, you know, to 21.2 range, right? Buy the dip right here, guys. I'm giving you guys like target like crazy, guys, like crazy. And I just updated it right here, right? Bang, link at support 4 hour to 6 hour 100 EMA before the breakout, guys. Before the breakout, we updated the target. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It is almost 10% up. Okay, it is almost 10% up. It is almost 10% up. That's what you get with Send Crypto. That's what you get with Send Crypto. Sucker gonna pump all the way up, guys. Pump all the way up. All these moon boys right now bearish, and they're gonna suffer a lot. I'm telling you guys. Thanks a lot, not Mohammed. Thanks a lot, Ahmed. Tezos, I'm bullish on Tezos. Tezos is a premium hold, so if you're holding Tezos, I don't want to make you a moon boy, but I think we could hit some crazy prices, right? So join the premium group so you can get the Tezos macro target to the upside, guys. So XTZ, Bitfinex on the macro scale. So join the premium group, right? So you can get the macro view, so you're not even going to be looking at Tezos every day. You're not gonna look at it every day. You're not gonna look at it every day. After Send Crypto showed you what type of target you could get right here, man, I'm telling you. So Tether short term and long term, it is still a hold. I said it long time ago, guys. It is a support. You don't want to sell right here. You don't want to sell right here, okay? And I showed you the comparison between Tezos and BSV, okay? BSV. I showed you the comparison, same setup, right? So if you forward on BSV right here, you bought the dip, bought the top. I told you don't do that. You got Tezos still at, at the same level, okay? So Tezos, it is a hold versus BTC. It is a hold versus the dollar. It is a hold, okay? Versus BTC, to be honest, I was bullish on Tezos right here on the lower degree. I was bullish right there, but I'm more bullish right now right here, okay? Litecoin getting very light, man. I'm long on Litecoin. Let's see. So I'm bullish on Litecoin, long on Litecoin. We can drop all the way down to $100. I hope not, right? Looking at the 7-day chart, but on the lower degree, it looks like it got a support right here. Okay, it looks like it got a support. So one thing we just have to avoid for Litecoin is like this move right here and that move right here, guys. It's gonna do something like this, guys. That's a 2019 setup. I can show you like Bitcoin Cash. When I called like the Bitcoin Cash big pump back in I think like after like some like fall 2019, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin Cash. So if we go back to Bitcoin Cash, right here, okay? So Bitcoin Cash, this move right here, okay? I was just dumb, right? But I was bullish on Bitcoin Cash, but I was not expecting BTC to do the same thing, okay? That's the move right here. You got this move 3, you got the 3 move down, right? I was like, we're gonna get this move up, okay? Same thing right here also. Right here. I think that's the only one, but this move right here for Bitcoin Cash, I was calling it, and that's the one right here also, okay? That's the one right here. I was like, okay, we got this move. Okay, you see that's a different layout, but I can still remember, okay? That's a fresh layout. I haven't touched this layout like almost a year, but I can remember exactly what we talked about back then right here. So Litecoin could be doing the same thing, okay, on the lower degree. So it's a 3 up, 3 down, triple bottom, bang, to the upside. So I'm bullish on Litecoin. Can it fail? Yes, it can fail short term, but it is still going to be bullish. So we could be looking for 160, okay, for Litecoin, up to 180. Beautiful setup right here. So it can fail definitely, but I like this move, right? Okay, we're gonna get this one. So the challenge for Litecoin is going to be 160, and I'm still gonna be looking for 180 to 178, right? Potentially also. So let's take a look at T-Fuel, right? For Ahmed. Yeah, it is a hold. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, but the move is pretty choppy though. It's not impulsive. So if you get this drop down to 0.618, you also could be looking for another move, all right? So because the move right here is pretty choppy. So pullback going to be potentially 0.618 if it doesn't reverse, if it doesn't continue to the upside, which is somewhere around like 80 sats, right? Yeah, 80 sats, not that bad. So let's take a look at it. TFU USD on the dollar pair. Yeah, on the dollar pair, still a hold. Okay, it is doing a great job. Low sell volume right here. So double top support three-way move. So that shows support right here. We don't want to break right here. If we break to the upside, we could be looking for right here, 5 cents almost, right? 5 to 4.9 cents. So you got your trading range to anticipate support, resistance. XLM, let's take a look at XLM. Excellent. I'm kind of a little bit bearish on XLM, and I got a reason to be, which was like to retest basically 21.22. I was bullish right there. I was a moon boy right there, right? But also, you know, was saying like we can drop down to 23. Okay, so we did drop down to 23, so it is still a good hold right here. Okay, but we don't want to break it, because if we break it, we might be playing the trend line game. Okay, and I don't want to play that game. It might drop all right here, so which is just going to be short-term bearish. If like market going to be in a bull market, it is just going to rebound. Okay, but as of now, it is still a hold right there. Okay, if we avoid the bullish crossover, bearish crossover, and the 21 EMA just give us a if it gives us a U-turn, it is going to be very, very bullish. So it is still a hold. Okay, but if you see it anywhere around this trend line, it is going to be a strong buy. Okay, so but macro view, it is very, very bullish, so it is still a hold. Excellent BTC, I think it is a strong hold also, right? So that's our analysis last year. Actually, that's my other setup. So when we said right here last year, buy XLM right there. Okay, 600 to 700, first target 1000. It already hit it like multiple times, right? We still got a target up to 1600. We're not there yet, which is like June 2019 high. So you can still hold it for the next few weeks, few months, right? Mark Carter in a house. What software am I using? I'm just using XSplit. Uniswap. Hey guys, if you just joined our streaming, make sure if that's your first time watching Send Crypto, right, and you're asking question, I'm asking you to subscribe, right, hit the notification, okay, and hit the likes, and ask me any other question. All right, Elixir in the house. Elixir, I don't know. Crypto Hippo in the house. I don't know. Sell XRP, I don't know. Yeah, you can join the Telegram. Also the Discord link in the description if you're looking to join the Discord. But you have to upgrade the Telegram. It's gonna ask you to plug in your numbers, whatever. It's gonna give you some series of numbers to plug in. Don't say hi, and if it says 5522, don't say hello 5522. It's gonna kick you out. Just do 5522 and then send different message like saying hello. This guy say, bro, Litecoin, Nickel Dukai. Say, is Litecoin a buy? Litecoin is a hold. Let's go ahead and take a look at Uni. Somebody asked about Uni. Uni is on a moonshot, right? So very complex correction. I don't want to go through it again, but we talk about it. We say Uni, if we break this range, just buy. Okay, it broke out right here, did something like this, right, and pumped to the upside. What we said was like buy right here. Okay, before even the drop, we called for the unit drop down to 4.5 to 5. Okay, it is still a hold. I don't see any bearishness yet. Usman in the house. So guys, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, join Send Crypto public Telegram group. Let me see some of you guys join already. Barry Salam in the house. T Dawn in the house that you guys just joined, okay? Masood. Elan in the house. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. I got 10 Litecoin. Oh, you're a millionaire, man. You're a future millionaire. You got 10 Litecoin. Should you sell it? If you don't want to be a millionaire, you can sell it. So let's go back to BTC, guys. I think I like my other layout better. Yeah, I like this one better. But you guys gonna get all my premium target. TDUUUB says Lemo. Yeah, thanks a lot, Tiff. Hey, what's up, Ace in the house? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. AC's auto repair collision in a house. Oh, we just talked about John E. Banks. We just talked about the XLM. It is consolidating just about 22 to 24. So DOT just broke out. As you can see, we just talked about DOT, guys. 4 hour, 100 EMA, 6 hour, 100 EMA premium target, right? Bang. Okay, it might not break it, it might consolidate because we still got the 6 hour 100 EMA support. Take a look at Kusama is 7% up. I like that. Link 10% up, guys. Link 10% up. It is above 21 EMA on a 4 hour basis. So let's see if we can pump above 21 EMA on a 6 hour. Yeah. The only problem with that is like we might not get a crossover on our MACD yet. So the move might not still be official. It might not be the official pump. It might pump right here, right, and do something like that, just to get the MACD ready for a crossover. Otherwise, if we retest the top right now, 25, I might be a bear, take profits right there, and wait for consolidation again and MACD to cross bullish, right? So I would assume like we're gonna retest the low right here. So if you short-term trading, you bought the dip anywhere around like 20.5, put a stop loss. BSV, any thoughts on BSV? I got 60 link. Is it enough? Man, one link is enough. One link, man, is enough. I'm just joking, but you know what I mean, okay? Enough is very subjective, right? Some people need 1,000 link or 100,000 link, right? Some people only need one. So 60 is plenty, I think. Ocean Protocol. Somebody just asked about Ocean Protocol, but I told you 3 weeks back, Ocean is very bearish. I mean, not very bearish, very bullish. Let's go back and take a look at Ocean on CoinMarketCap. It is a hold in our premium, right? And been a hold long time since, like, I mean, 2 months ago we called Ocean Ocean is a hold, okay? Especially versus BTC. So you take a look at the market cap. Okay, Ocean, when Ocean was right here, okay, like right there, okay, last week I said it is a flat correction and it's gonna pump. It's gonna pump so hard, right? You're not even gonna see these double top, double bottom. I think we could be headed back to not back to, but above maybe 600 million for 600 million to 800 million market cap. Just like I said before, the CRV pump, right? CRV, okay? Before the CRV pump, that's what I told you guys when CRV was what? Look at CRV right now, was like over 400 million market cap, but CRV right here, okay, right here, that's what I told you when CRV was like roughly around like 80 million, okay, 70 million, 80 million, right? Right now, it pumped all the way up to 300 million, guys. So only Send Crypto gives you this type of call, man. Only Send Crypto. Only Send Crypto gives you this type of call. Okay, when it was right here, guys, I was like, it's ready to pump. Right there, guys. Last week, guys, live. I showed you live. So Ocean Protocol, a good hold. It's gonna pump so hard, guys. All you guys gonna be mad. You did not buy it. You take a look at the flat correction we got right here. I already called it in our premium. It's a hold. So the only downside is like sometime, right? These flat corrections, if we get a shakeout, they're gonna wick down, just like this one right here. And if that's the case, you could be just looking for a 0.618, because most people are gonna buy at 50%, right? 42 all the way down to 38. If you see a wick down right there, it's going to be a buy. We got the same scenario on Sushi and also CRV. They did the, let's go back to CRV so I double check. That's the one right here, okay? Right here, that wick to the downside. If you go back to Sushi, and even Ave, I think Ave did the same thing. Okay, let's see. Right here, okay, that's a wick right there, and right here, okay. Let's take a look at Sushi, because the one with Sushi was apparent, like a big one. Sushi Sasha, one of our biggest calls this year, from nearly 50 cents all the way up to, like, guys, crazy numbers, man. Only Send Crypto make these type of calls, man. Just like Sushi right here. And if you notice well, Sushi we drop where, guys? Where? Right there, 50% pullback. Okay. So we got this flat. We called for the move, right? We say just huddle, right? We're gonna go all the way up to $7. Okay, all the way up to $7. And we already hit $10, guys. And we called it when it was like $2 right here, guys. $2. $2, guys. $2, guys. 400% move. Hey, what's up, Hank? Hank, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. H-Bar, H-Bar is one of our top pick this year. It is a hold. I told you guys. Let me show you my top pick, right? H-Bar, SXP, one chain is not even pumping yet, right? Let's see. Tezos is one of our top pick also. VET, TRB. As you can see, guys, only Send Crypto give you this type of call. Okay, all you need is just join the premium group so you can get this big move over the next. These are yearly hold, not even like short-term hold. Okay, so H-Bar, be cautious, right? Be cautious. This move is gonna come anyway. Whenever you see a choppy move like this, okay, it's gonna reverse. Okay, but it might not be the reversal you're looking for. It's going to do something like this. Wait for the retest. Okay, wait for the retest, unless you're holding it. Okay, but if you want to buy now, it might be too aggressive. Okay, so you got the same setup on IOST also. IOST USDT, it pumped like a couple days ago. You think like it's gonna pump, but it's just gonna come back down. You got it right here. Okay, it dropped down right here. You think like it's gonna go up? Nope, it retests the bottom right here. So if you don't know what's going on, you might have long it, and then now you're gonna be frustrated, right? But IOST, we did call it. We call the head and shoulder pattern formation right here. Not just that, but IOST BTC, right? It is a call for us, okay? Right here. IOST basically said buy it right here. We're going to take it to the upside. So if you bought it at 20 sats, you were able to sell at 70 sats, okay? So you do the move. That's 350% move. You only get that from Sun Crypto, nowhere else. Nowhere else. Nowhere else. Just show me one crypto YouTuber making the type of call Sun Crypto is making. Just tell me one. One. Just one. Not two. Not three. Not four. Just one. Just one. Okay? Making this type of call live, guys. Not even like premium group, right? My premium group can basically testify, right? But live, okay? Loopring. So IOST, it is still a hold. I don't know how long it's going to take to get to these targets up to 160, but it is still a hold, okay? LRC, I think it's around like 120 sat, 120, right? If I remember well. No, 40 cents. I'm getting it confused with RLC, which is 120. So LRC is still a hold, okay? You already got the correction. Any wick to the downside right here going to be a buy, right? Just about like 30-40 cents. Oh, you're talking about like, which one you talking about, Hank? You must be talking about Sushi. Yeah, Sushi was a spot call. I mean, then I leveraged it long, for a bit, but yeah, always don't have your avoid having your stop loss at 0.618 or even 50%. Okay. Let's see how TRB is doing. So I think TRB is my best friend right now. Yeah. Yeah, TRB, if like we can get out of this range, guys, that might be we could get a potential 1.618 extension to the upside. I just didn't like this move. It looks pretty corrective, so I'm not sure if I can count it as wave one, but if not, you know, we could get a crypto sell-off in TRB. We could see it back down to like $13 before the big impulsive move to the upside also. But let's see, I think like we got a chance to break above 37 and try to retest 41, 42, retest again 34, 33, and then moonshot to $100. But if you see it anywhere around like $16, I think it is going to be a great opportunity to load up. So it might be a good time to put some cash away just in case we get a crypto sell-off, you know, to retest December lows, which was like December 23rd, right? If we can retest the lows, that's going to be a great opportunity, because most people are right now in massive profits since like December 23rd if you bought the dip. Okay, the only way you're not in profit right now is like if you're buying right now, like, you know, starting buying like January 15 or January 20th. Right? But if you even hold your position like from late December, right, December 20th down to December 23rd, right, early January, you keep buying, you're going to be at least 1.5 to 2x up. Okay, Yeah. I don't know which week you're talking about. I mean, you're talking about the week of the weeks back in December 23rd. Yeah, we had a lot of them. Guys, make sure to subscribe to Send Crypto channel, right? If you haven't done so, it doesn't cost you anything. Join the public group, and then you're gonna get access to the cost of the premium group, right? It costs like a cup of coffee a day. I don't know where I heard that, but it is pretty cheap, right? Not cheap, but compared to you know, the gains you make, it is you can make your fees like in 1 to 2 trades, especially if you leverage. You can make it like half a trade, right? You just need a 15 to 20% pump in one of my calls. That's it. So Tron USD, I'm still bullish on it. It is following BTC, kind of weak a little bit, but versus USD, we got support, you know, all the way down here. Versus the dollar, I got a target all the way up to 5 cents. Okay, I just don't know when we're gonna get there, right? I just don't like this correction right here, so we just have to do something like this. And if you remember well what I told you back in December, this late December, okay, December 30th, something like that, right? Which alt was we're making this type of correction. Okay, which one? TRB, BZRX, right? They were making this type of correction when they were like 15 cents and you know, $15 range. Okay, both of them right now like 100% up. Okay, let's go take a look at TRB right here. Right here. Okay, $15. We made this call all the way up to 27, guys. Okay, that's almost like, guys, take a look at it. Only Send Crypto make these calls, man. Like 60% move, right? It dropped back down. We said let's take it back up to 37 right here. That was the second call, 37. You guys remember, right? 37 right here. After the retest of $18, $20, bang, we retested right here. It is still a buy. It is still a hold. Okay, for up to basically $40. So Armand, what's up? Let's take a look at Ether, guys. Ether. So Ether, we bullish on it, but just be cautious because you got 2 trend lines, right? We got 2 trend lines. Okay, you got one trend line based on closing basis. It means like these candles, none of these candles close below the line, but you also got another trend line based on wicks. So I'm still bullish on it, but it can retest the second trend line, right? Chainlink going down. What do you mean Chainlink going down? You mean like Chainlink gonna pump? So we just talked about Chainlink. We said MACD is not crossing bullish right there on the 6 hour to 8 hour. So a retest of the 20 is not going to be a big deal. It's just going to be a double bottom. Okay. If you notice well, why also right here, right? If you notice well, when we broke out right here, what happened is like we retested the low because MACD needed time to recover. You see, when we got the breakout right here, MACD was not comfortable of breaking out. So price action needed to slow down and get the second breakout above the 200 EMA. So that's possible right here. So the link is still a hold, right? With a potential primary support right there. So guys, hit the likes, subscribe, join Send Crypto Premium for the good stuff, okay? For all the good stuff. Penny C in a house. I mean, altcoins are exploding, okay? It's not like you gotta see altcoin exploding like right in front of your eye. They exploding right now since like December 23rd. On average, alt are up 100%. It doesn't matter which alt you're holding. Okay, if you're holding any alt, let's say you're holding 5 alt since like December 15th, okay, on average they up 90 to 120. Okay, they're up 90 to 120. So they up, the momentum is up. It's not like we got 12 months, okay, in a year. Okay, we already 27 days into the first month. That's just the first month, but all of these alt, they up on average 90 to 120. Okay, you take a look at Uniswap. The lows, December lows was like $5. Right now it's $15. You take a look at DOT. The December lows was like, I think $465, right? Right now it's like 16. It pumped all the way up to 20. Cardano lows was like 17, I think, right? It's like, it pumped all the way up to 40. XLM was like 12 cents. It pumped all the way up to 40 cents. So guys, alt season is here. Okay, it's not like we gotta wake up every day and see everything green every day to be in an alt season. No, they're gonna go up and down. So if you see alt drop 20%, you panic, bang, you miss the next move. Okay, you take a look at CRV, right? It's up, right? Right here was the December lows, right? December 23rd, 38 cents. Okay, and we called it. We said CRV is a buy, hold it. It's 500% up. We called this move. Okay, just because your prefer alt, right? The alt you like the most, XRP, is not pumping, doesn't mean we're not in a alt season. By the time you guys know it, right, all these suckers gonna pump 10x, and you're still gonna be waiting for alt season. This sucker is already 5x, and we got another target up to $5. It'll make it like 10x, right? And you're gonna be like, man, this sucker 10x. You see what I'm saying? And you're gonna have to wait till like May, June, July for the next alt season. Okay. The thing is, people put their stop loss too close, right, to the market, and they think like once they buy, market cannot go against them. If you do that, I mean, it's gonna go against you. Okay, like right now I'm accumulating a BZRX, right? It's up and down, but I'm still buying the dip. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at BZRX. Take a look at BZRX. Look, so if let's say you're buying BZRX at like 600 sats right here, or even like 700 sats, 800 sats, it pumped to like 1200 sats. You put your stop loss at 1000. It's gonna come back down. When it drops down to 1000, you gotta buy the dip, because we got target all the way up to 1600. You cannot be like moving your stop loss too close, right? So, in this sucker, we talk about it. I gave you guys an update, public update, when sucker was like 500, 600 sats. It pumped all the way up to like 1200 sats, guys. So alt season is here. Okay, it's 150% move. Yeah, you gotta huddle, man. You cannot put stop loss too close. I keep telling these people, I mean, if you cannot digest alt season dropping 50%, even when you hold them, you're not supposed to be in this market. It might not be for you, okay? Might not be for you, because these suckers, man, they can drop 50, 60%, but you just have to be patient sometime before you get your 10x, 20, 30x move, right? Or even 100x. You mean Ahmed, you got like 7,500 XRP? I mean, not XRP, XT. I mean, it's gonna pump. It's gonna pump. It's just a matter of time. Just huddle. I got crazy target for for XTZ. So join the public group if you want to basically get your XTZ targets to the upside. Okay, we just gotta be patient, man. We all looking for the same thing. Okay, we all looking for those juicy moves, but without being patient, we're not gonna get it. We're not gonna get it. Okay, let's just huddle. Oh no, I'm not a crypto guy. We all the same. It's the only difference is like I got my channel and I talk, you listen. That's all the difference, okay? But I go through the same pain you guys go to, okay? Go through, right? I huddle, these suckers drop. I've been through 2018 bear market. I think nothing is like the 2018 bear market. Most of you guys pretty new, joined like 2019 after everything started to look good. But if you've been through like 2017, right, and then you're expecting 2018 to be like 2017, and 2018 was like the complete opposite of 2017, your hair gonna grow gray, okay? So you guys did not get the chance, I mean not chance, but you guys were lucky enough not to go through 2018 bear market. It was crazy, you know. You're watching your position drop 90%, okay, 90%, and you're not even trading, you're just holding. Whenever you wake up, you take a look at your portfolio, your block folio, right? It's like 86% down, okay? At some point, like 90% down. You'll be like, oh my gosh, you know. Okay, you're great. You bought, look at it. You bought Tether at 12 cents 2 years ago. Look at it now. It's like $2, and you got a potential to go to $10, you know. That's 100x nearly. Let's huddle these suckers. NKR, it is still no, I don't want to do this. NKR USD. NKR BTC, it is bullish, so it is still a hold. It is still a hold. Okay, you have support line, resistance right there, just about 42. Right, you got 47 also resistance, but minor resistance 42. A break above it, you got another resistance up to 85. Okay. I mean, one thing I would do, maybe like see one project you like and accumulate it. Like, I don't know, but I have a good feeling, right? Swipe might be a good one to be accumulating, right? Under 100 million, right? Over the next 2, 3, 4 years, it might hit like those 10, 15 billion market cap, and boom, okay? I mean, I'm not recommending anything. I'm just saying, like 88 dropped from like $1.30, right, all the way down to like penny and a half. Okay, all the way down to penny, all the way down like to penny and a half. Okay, that's like 99% down. Okay, and now you take a look at it, it is up 20x. Okay, it is. So if you just, you know, buy the dip right here, buy the dip, got a nice average, okay, gonna be up 10x, you know. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, GameStop. I mean, GameStop, not GameStop, but GameStop. I mean, just like Peter says, right? It's not like those short sellers are Peter Schiff. Okay, most of you guys know Peter Schiff, but what he was saying is like most people, most people who short the market know exactly what they're doing. Okay, and GameStop, if you take a look at it, it might not be around for the next few years, really, right? So and most people are shorting it because they think like sucker might be dumping. Okay, gonna go bankrupt, but too much shorts also got him screwed, right? I mean, I don't think Reddit is an exchange. I mean, you got multiple exchange. You can use Binance. You can use, depending if you're in US or not. You can use Kraken, Bittrex, Coinbase Pro, whatever you want to use. When will VET hit $2? Oh man, that's another 100x's right there, man. So like, people who bought VET at a, 0.005, something like that, they're not waiting for $2. They're waiting for 50 cents to 100x. But if you just bought VET like at, 2 cents, it might be saying, when we gonna 100x? So everybody's looking for 100x from the point they bought at, right? So you're not thinking about like the guy who bought 50x earlier, right? Before you buy, right? Let's take a look at VET. The 100x game. So if you bought VET right here, now right there, you're looking for 100x. But somebody who bought right here is not looking for 100x right now, okay? He's just looking for a VET to go to a 15 cents, right? All right, 20 cents, right? 10x, another 10x. But VET, it has a nice structure. I like VET BTC. All right, so if VET BTC can keep on pumping, VET USD definitely gonna get the job done. Okay, but it is still a hold. If we drop down to 2 cents to 2.2, it is still gonna be a buy. I'm afraid like we're gonna get a wick to the downside. That's all, but it is still a hold because in our premium or support, we bought a support and we were looking for 3 cents. It even pumped to like 3.5 cents. Now it is back to 20 cents. 2.5, 2.7 cents. So it is still a hold. If it wicks down right here, it is still gonna be a good buy. It's just gonna do something like this, right? That's it. But it is a hold because VET BTC is very bullish. Osman say, I huddled this sucker for 3 years. Yes, you see, it's not going to be the same price in 3 years again. Okay. So you needed to buy the dip, Whenever you see it red 20%, you just gotta add to the position. Not financial advice, but yeah, I mean, I see what you're saying, Mr. Mason. I mean, I don't follow that stock, but hey guys, don't forget to you know, hit the notification so you guys can get my constant live updates, right? So we got 121 watching today, right? Yesterday most of you guys did not get the notification, so, or you did not subscribe, but we had a great live stream and we talked about all of these good moves, right? You know, TRB, you know, if you watch our yesterday live stream, you would have be bullish on TRB, right there. Okay, you would be bullish on SXP, you would be bullish on Link, you would be bullish on QDM, right? OMG, all of these good stuff, right? You would be buying. QDM is finna rip it off, guys. Like, it's the guy finna pump so hard, man. Oh gosh, I love this QDM setup. So we buying QDM, right? We bought right here, okay? Not QDM, but OMG. First target. We took multiple targets on OMG, this sucker. So first one was right here. We were bullish right there, took it right there. Bullish right there, took it right here. And then bullish again right here. Okay. And finna take it right there. So 3 setup within the same setup. 3 position, three entries within the same setup. Dodge BTC is pumping massively again. Yeah, Atom worth accumulating. Let's take a look at Atom BTC, because if you take, you just have to check the BTC pair and it's gonna tell you a lot. So if you take a look at Atom, right, it is almost at what, all-time low. If I'm correct, right, it is at all-time low, right here. I don't think Atom was around like back in let's check Bittrex. Maybe Bittrex has it. Yeah, Atom was not around back in 2018 if I remember. So you see Atom, if you can break resistance versus BTC right here, that's going to be a moonshot. Okay, we already got the first impulsive move. We bullish on Atom anyway in our premium, so it has a moonshot coming. Okay, it is a good level to be accumulating versus BTC. One mistake I made last time on Atom was, like, when Atom was right here, I wasn't paying attention on a low degree. I was waiting for a retest of 18,000 when it was like 27,000, so it just moonshot. But if I had watched the USD pair last year, that's a mistake I made. I was not basically watching the USD pair. I was just, you know, watching the BTC pair. But that time Atom was right here, and that was like June, right? And this setup is my favorite setup. If I saw it, I wouldn't be bearish on, not bearish, but I wouldn't be waiting like when Atom was like, you know, right here. You see? Because that time Atom was like right there, right here. Okay, you can see Atom was double bottoming right here, triple bottom almost, with the wedge pattern, right? I didn't notice it. I just say, okay, I'm gonna wait, and I did not watch it afterward, and sucker just ripped off right there. It is a good hold. Okay, Balance is also a nice hold. Okay, BAT, a nice hold, beautiful setup. Just like Atom, is just dropped much lower. But in terms of wave analysis, they did the same thing. Okay, that's a move right here, and that's a move, right? Atom did versus BTC and drop. Go back to Atom BTC, same thing. Just the magnitude is different, but same thing. My new wife is, I don't know. Bitcoin is at 31. Rashid, you want to troll? You want to troll, Rashid? Rashid Wallace. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin. Yep, Doge is breaking out. Support, you know. So what we said was like, you know, just wait. You just don't know what type of correction you're gonna get. You could get a triangle or anything, but the directional move is up, so it is moving to the upside. Yeah, BAT is right there. Thanks a lot for joining in. Team T-Don, Blue Note. I don't know about 1 to 3 months. It can be anything. Market might retrace down, or it can keep pumping. I mean, the macro view for blue is still bullish. That's what I'm saying, guys. We just have to be patient. You know, if you're expecting this alt to be to 100x in, you know, in 10 days and all of that, we might be waiting forever, but we just have to be patient. Okay. So BZRX, we just hit target 1. Did not quite hit inside the box, but it's close enough. It's close enough, right? It's close enough, and we're gonna be looking for target 2, target 2, which is wave 3 to the upside, up to $60 potentially. Hey, what's up, Juan? Exactly, that's a good question, because we got Wonder Boy asking about that question. So when we said, let's say, if you want to trade this alt versus BTC, okay, remember, BTC is just BTC, okay? It doesn't matter if you look at it BTC USD or BTC Euro or BTC whatever. BTC versus fiat going to be the same, okay? But if you're looking at the reason why you want to trade this alt versus BTC is like to grow your BTC, okay? Let's say you're holding, like, let's just use on 1, okay? 1 is the easiest number to remember, right? Besides 0. So 1, right? Let's say you're holding 1 BTC and I'm bullish on BZRX, right? And you're looking to grow your BTC, right? You're like, okay, BZRX looks like it is going to be moving faster than BTC, right? The current price right now is 1,000 sats, but it can potentially move 60% versus BTC. So I'm like, okay, I got 1 BTC, and it means regardless of what the BTC price is going to be in the near future, right, BZRX going to grow 60% versus BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? So you can take your BTC and you buy BZRX. You can buy it. You can buy it in USD. Let's say you don't hold the BTC, but you have let's say $30,000, right? You can buy BZRX in dollar, right? You can buy BZRX right now in $31.50. It is the same thing buying BZRX like in BTC at 1,000 sats. It is the same thing. But if you buy it in dollar, you just have to know like you also bought it at the same time when it was like 1,000 sats. So you just keep the record of your receipt, whatever. You just keep record of your transaction. Okay, you're like, okay, I bought it at 1,000 sats when it was 1,000 sats. Okay, so since like you don't want to lose your BTC value, remember you're holding 30K and it worth 1 BTC, right? So you just have to keep record of it, because you don't want BZRX to drop versus BTC. You don't know what the price of BTC going to be, right? You don't know what the price of BTC going to be when BZRX hit 1,600 sats. The price of BTC could be also 20,000, right? It also could be 20,000, right? But you also got your 100 and you got your BZRX at 1600 sats, regardless of the BTC price, right? You got 1.6 BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? So now, even though, okay, the BTC dollar value dropped, BTC only have one value in fiat, right? The BTC fiat value dropped nearly 30%, but your BZRX pumped 60%. Now you got 1.6 BTC, and if you do the math, right, you got almost what, 30,000, right? Something like that, 32,000. You see what I'm saying? Even though your fiat value right now, it is roughly the same, you still got your 30,000, but you got 1.6 BTC. That's why people trade alt BTC. They're looking to grow their BTC, not just their dollar value, because BTC dollar value could drop a lot, but you're still gonna get a lot of BTC by trading the alt. All right. So hopefully it makes sense. All right. I mean, it is okay. If you bought at 3 to 5 cents, you took profits, and hey, thanks a lot, Tiffany. If you accumulated ADA at 3 to 5, that's great, and you took 40%. You still got 60% holding, and XLM can still pump to $10. And most of those coins you bought might outperform XLM over the long run. You see what I'm saying? If you buy like coins like under 30 million, 40, 50, 60 million market cap, or even 100 million market cap, they might outperform, okay, XLM at some point. Let's say you buy XLM doesn't have pairing, right? It doesn't have like XLM doesn't have like a alt pairs, right? So let's say you buy BZRX, right, USDT, and then you want to compare it to XLM. Not XLM, but ADA. You could do ADA USDT forward slash ADA USDT, and you'll be like, okay, for instance, right now I know BZRX is gonna outperform ADA. Okay, not XLM. I think I said XLM earlier. I know it is gonna pump at least like almost 180. I don't know for sure, but the chart in terms of charting, it looks like at some point we're gonna retest BZRX ADA 250. Okay, the ratio. Okay, so I'm like, okay, that's 180%. I can increase my ADA holding by 180%, right? I mean, actually almost 3x, right, by holding BZRX, if BZRX is going to be bullish versus ADA. Do you see what I'm saying? So those alt you bought, they might outperform ADA over the over the long run, or even down to the short-term time frame. They can even like outperform ADA, in the short term. Do I think Ethereum Classic will ever go up? I mean, I think it will. Yeah, Ether can outperform. Ether can outperform. Can outperform BTC. I see. If you start day trading, where do you cash out? I mean, you can cash out from your exchange. I mean, you can cash out from Coinbase. I mean, Bittrex, Kraken. Band. Let's go back to BTC. Band. Let's take a look at band. Band is not on my list right here. Yeah, band is still a hold. It got a target up to a potential target $14 next. So if it wicks to the downside, you could grab it at $6. I don't know if you're gonna get it again, but you got target 12 to 14 and potentially all the way up to like $35. Okay, which is like a 127,141 extension move to the upside right here and right there. So you're welcome, Azaz. Let's see something really quickly. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe if you just joined Send Crypto channel, right? Peter Schiff just uploaded a video. I love Peter Schiff, man. I don't know if you guys listen to Peter, but I always look forward to his podcast every day nearly. I never miss one since like 20. I mean, I missed some, but I always listen to Peter since like 2017. I first heard of Bitcoin from Peter Schiff also, right? So I remember like March 2017, right? And Peter was like, Bitcoin. And I'm like, Bitcoin? What is I didn't even know how to spell it, guys. I was spelling it with a Y. And I had to look it up. It was like, I think like, I can remember 600 to 1,000, right? And second time I heard of Peter said it again, it was like, not second time, but I heard of Peter saying it again, like sometime in June, July, and it was like $2,000. I was like, okay, hold on a second. If something pumped from $1,000 to $2,000 in this short period of time, it must be very volatile. So I started looking into it, right? And all of that good stuff. Hey, thanks a lot, Ahmed. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for the tip. I mean, okay, who's asking long leverage? Ahmed, if you never leverage, right? Don't even leverage. Just keep your ethers, right? And trade alt BTC pair, ether BTC pair, right? And increase your ether, right? Unless you know how to leverage and you got experience. But if you do not have any experience in a bull market, just suck it up, play the alt pairs, right? And you're gonna be okay. That's the truth, okay? You're gonna be okay. I got people in my premium, they don't even leverage. If they leverage, they use like 2-3x, okay? Just to get the job done. That's it. Accumulate, dang. But if you want to make it like leverage, like for a living, it's not going to be easy, okay? Yeah, don't leverage it. You're gonna lose it all because it's very addictive. Yeah. For instance, I just showed you EGLD, right? EGLD USDT, right? / ETH, right? That was a 30% call in our premium, right? Right. This move was a 30% call. So let's say you wanted to increase your ether, you got 12 ethers, okay, 12 ethers, and we made this call right here, okay, on the breakout right there when it was like 0.033 ether. So we said it's gonna hit 0.043 ether. That's a potential 30% move. And instead of leveraging, you can, like, let's say you're holding 12 ethers, you could take like 3-4 ethers and you buy EGLD and you just sit tight and you watch your chart. Once EGLD hits like 0.043, you sell it, right, in USD, and you buy back your Ethereum. Regardless of the Ethereum price at 0.044, you're still gonna get your 30% ETH, regardless of the Ethereum price. You see what I'm saying? So that's one of the reasons why we trade alt BTC. Okay. I don't know. It could drop. It could pump also. But you know, with the current, you know, Fed printing too much money, right? So the Fed printing, we might not see a drop. I don't know. I really don't know. But let's see. Okay, let's see if we're gonna find support at $1,000 or maybe $750 if we get any short-term bear market. You know, if we stay above 750 over the next few months, we can definitely keep pumping to the upside. So ADA, it is still consolidating right here. If we drop anywhere around below this range, we did say we got a support all the way down to 22, 23. Okay, but low volume, volume decreasing, prices decreasing. That's not that incredibly bearish. So it is still a good hold. So ADA, keep an eye on it. So I think like if I was one of the biggest bear on Ethereum, guys, like 300, 250. I was calling for that, you know, for that $80 Ethereum, $100 Ethereum. I hit all those targets, okay? But now I'm not interested in being bearish right now. Can it drop? Yes, but I might have to be bearish later on, but not now. Remember, the goal is not to be right or wrong. The goal is just to go with the direction, okay? Yeah, Bitcoin Cash potentially got another reversal very soon. But once again, guys, make sure to accumulate. I'm not giving you any financial advice, but accumulate some Ether, right? Accumulate some Ether. It is a real deal, okay? Right now, it is hard to ignore Ether when you compare BCH, ETH, right? When you compare Bitcoin Cash, Ether, you can see like Bitcoin Cash since December 2017, right? Not even versus BTC, right? Bitcoin Cash is 96% down versus Ethereum. Okay, so let's say you're holding, you had like one Ethereum back then, okay, and you put it into Bitcoin Cash. Right now, you know, you're down a lot. Okay, you're down a lot. Okay, 96%, right? You only got 4% left. Okay, so that's how bad it is. Okay, so that's how bad it is. Okay, you got one Ether right here. Now you're down 96%. Okay, you got 96%. Because you gotta remember, back then Bitcoin Cash was almost like, at some point Bitcoin Cash was like 5,000. So that was like five ethers, okay, something like that. Okay, you put a, you know, 5 ethers right here, 6 ethers, the bang. Okay, bang, you're down a lot right now. You only got like 0.4 ethers, 0.4 ethers right now. So that's how bad it is. So same thing with EOS. Also, I showed you guys the trend, EOS Ether, right? If you take a look at EOS, right, since like mid 2018, right here, 94% down. Okay, you take a look at ADA. Take a look at ADA versus Ether alone. Okay, since like just about 6 months ago, right, it is 50% down versus Ether. And since like 2018, right here, 2017, it is 85% down versus Ether. Okay, XLM, same thing. Okay, same thing. December, 94% down versus Ether. So Ether is a real deal. Ether is a real deal. Okay, it's the real deal. You just have to have some Ethers. Okay, you have to have some Ethers and try to grow them, right, using these auto, like let's say you know, XLM pumps a lot. You're holding some XLM without even like having any Ether. It pumps a lot, and you look at the Ether XLM chart, it is already at resistance, like 6x versus Ether. You have to buy everything. I mean, not everything, but you have to transfer some into Ether before it loses its value versus Ether, right? Let's go back to BTC. Dodge is going crazy. 6 hours within the last 6 hours it's already 200% up. Dodge is going crazy. I'm not holding any Dodge, to be honest, right? Yeah, man, like the 2-day time frame right here, not sure if we're gonna close below it, guys. We basically, you know, pumping it back up. It is looking pretty juicy. Candle gonna close in 18 hours, so the next 2 days is going to be very, very critical, especially if we close above it. Oh, if we close green, man, if we close this candle above like 30, let's say nice hammer candle, try to close above like 33. Whoa, guys, that's going to be nice. It's going to be nice if we close above 33 within the next few hours. I don't have any Dodge call in my premium, so Blue Zell, BLG, BTC, also a nice setup. Yeah, BLG, BTC, pay attention to it, guys. I think we could try to hit the 800 sats, so which is a potential 2x within the next few weeks. Yeah, BTC closing above 33. That's going to be nice, man. I think we're gonna get fired up over the next before the weekend, man. If we close today, okay, current daily candle, which is the same as the 2-day candle, right now, close above like 33. That might be very, very bullish. That might be very, very bullish. So that's a wedge pattern right there. I don't care how you want to look at it. Subjective, you could look at it as a, descending triangle, also, but guys, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to subscribe, right? TRB is pumping, guys. TRB is pumping. I told you about TRB, guys. I'm long on TRB, so I'm long on TRB, man. It's pumping. Both the reason why I like TRB is like it moves with BZRX, so you just have to know which one is moving first. So the difference is like it's like 10x, right? It's like for instance, BZRX was like 42 cents. I'm expecting TRB to hit $42, right? I've been watching them like for the last few weeks, so I know the trend for now. Okay, it might decouple later on, but let's go back to TRB. That's why, guys, it is good to do low leverage, right? If you do low leverage, you're not going to worry too much. Okay. I'm only doing 3x on my TRB long, right? I mean, if you're in our public Telegram group, you can see it. Okay, you can definitely just send it in our public Telegram group, but just say 3x long. You can sit tight, relax, 40% up. Okay, 42% up. But if I done like if anything higher than 3, I would be in trouble. Okay, I would be in trouble. So if you are in our public Telegram group, you're gonna see the you're gonna see the setup, and you could pump all the way up to 42, which basically going to put me above like 80%, nearly, right? So way above 80, maybe like 100% up, right? If we pump to 82. Let's see TR. Let's go to TRB. Let's take a look at the moon. That we got a long-term target to 26. So for Hank. Hey Hank, how you doing, man? It's been a while. Hope you're doing well, man. Yeah, I know the monthly candle, but I'm paying attention to the 50-day candle, not the monthly. Because that's when people are going to get wrecked on the monthly, right? Because if you take a look at the monthly, we might close red on the monthly. I'm okay with that, right? I'm okay with that because I showed you the descending triangle. However, guys, no one is talking about the 50-day cycle. Remember, the 50-day cycle going to overlap like almost 20 days after the monthly close. So it is going to close on February 19th. Okay, February 20th, we're going to open a new candle. So even if the monthly close is red, right? If the monthly close is red, right, the 50-day cycle is going to be temporarily red. Okay, but if you go back in 20 Giovanni just mentioned it a few hours ago, right? Giovanni is he's in our public Telegram group, right? Also premium, right? So he also mentioned it right here. If you notice where on the 50-day cycle, no 50-day candles, okay, after we broke all-time high was red. Okay, no 50-day candle, all the way up to the top. Okay, and I told you, if we break the 50-day cycle, if we break all-time high on the 50-day cycle, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. That's what I said, right? And I said it right here. If we break 10.5 on the 50-day cycle, we don't have any resistance. Okay, we don't have any resistance. We need to create one. We cannot just go ahead and say, oh, that's resistance. Like, the only reason, okay, we called for the $44,000 range resistance was like we got a 1.618 extension to the upside. Guys, Only Send Crypto told you this. Only Send Crypto, okay, in the crypto space, told you Bitcoin, okay, got a resistance at 42,000. Only Send Crypto. Everyone else was looking for 21,000, 22,000, 23,000. What I said at 20,000 when BTC dropped down to 16,000, guys, we're going to 40,000. Okay, so if you take a look at it right here, so no 50-day candles, closed red, okay, after the December 16 breakout. Okay, December 16, 2016, 12 months, 365 days. Okay, almost 10 50 days candle, right? From like December 16, 2016, eight 50-day cycles, right? No red candles. We did create some wicks to the downside, but if you pay attention to the 50-day cycle, you can see clearly, even though right here we got a big rejection, look at the next cycle, full body candle, full body candle. So that's what I'm saying, play the cycle. Okay, play the cycle. Okay, play the 50-day cycle. If you're going by the macro scale, I think like it is still good to be buying on the macro view, because I think like we're going to be getting at least 8 to 10 50-day cycle, right? With massive pump to the upside, and you can see like right here we already got 4. Okay, we already got 4. This one is not a 50-day cycle right here, because that's like a 2-week cycle. I explained to you guys why. Okay, so we already got 3. This one going to be the 4th, right? This is a 2-week cycle, so that's like 215 days if we close green above this range. Okay, by February 19th, that's going to be like 215 days of uptrend. Okay, and I said it right here. Okay, that's when I started talking about it, early October. Oh, Dogecoin is pumping again. I don't do Doge, man. I don't even trade Doge, to be honest with you. I don't remember making any Doge calls. It's gonna cool off. Let's go ahead and take a look at Dodge. Some of these Dodge coin fans. Let's check it with versus BTC. Yeah, Dodge. Check the 8 hour. Whoa! Look at this sucker. Yeah, but Dodge already started the move right here. If you watch our recent analysis, we said just hold it. That's what we just said. Okay, we said it is just, you know, it is just accumulating. Okay. Let's see. XLM got the same structure. Let's see if XLM gonna do the same thing. We got the same setup on FTM in our premium. Like when we called for this we started calling it right there, but did not anticipate this wedge pattern, not wedge, but this divergence. But you know, it is way above our target, and entry was, you know, we said buy right here, accumulated around like a 40. It's 300% move, so that's why I'm not very intimidated about the Dogecoin pump, because we got like some great calls like that, over 300% move. Let's go ahead and take a look at IOTX, which is also another premium call, right? Right here, IOTX. It is still pumping. It is still very bullish. Okay, 2-day 21 EMA, resistance 47. Guess what? We hit 45, guys. It is still bullish. Okay, it is still very accumulated. So give it a couple of days to digest the move, because IOTX, we got target all the way up to 140, 150. Okay, and accumulation right here, 11 sats and all of that good stuff. All right, so it's already like, you know, over 2x. Okay, over 2.5x already, and we got can pump all the way up to some crazy numbers to the upside. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, right? If you guys don't have any other question, I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes to ask any question. If you guys don't have any question, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm loving it, guys. We got a beautiful call, you know, beautiful call. On BTC. Okay, beautiful call, guys. On the 23rd, guys, we made this beautiful call, hit our target beautifully, right? Don't have nothing to worry about right now. Let's put a stop and let the market do the work. All right, Ronnie, thanks a lot, Marshall. We talked about flow yesterday. All right, guys, thanks a lot, Brad. Jason, we already talked about Bitcoin Cash. Must just join. So Bitcoin Cash hit target at 371. If you've been watching our previous analysis, we talked about Bitcoin Cash in this bear flag. If it breaks it, we got a potential target, but the 600 is right there still, but we have to break once again our 550, 525 going to be resistance, right? You got a minor resistance line right here to pay attention to, but it is still a potential hold, right? But it is pretty weak versus Ethereum, so something to keep in mind if you're a long-term hodler. It is 96% down versus Ethereum since December 2017, right? That's a lot. Flow, I think we talked about Flow yesterday. Flow Ether. It doesn't have anything. I can't do anything. I don't think it's Flow. I think it was like DSLA, something like that. We talked about it yesterday. Yeah, DSLA, I think we talked about it yesterday. We said it is a hold, right? Because we could get another third wave, 1, 2, and another one to the upside. Got 1, 2, and then we're gonna get this wave to the upside potentially. How far do I think it's gonna drop? I don't know. I mean, 370 is support, so let's wait and see if BTC is going to drop below 29.3. We got another support at 313 to 320 for BTC, Bitcoin Cash. Yes, no. Yes, no says what's going on with Bitcoin. Guys, be aware. I don't know if these guys are scamming or not, but alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. We got over 100 people watching throughout the live stream. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so you can get these great analysis from Sun Crypto, guys, giving you warnings, real warnings regarding big pumps and big dumps and all of that good stuff. Okay, so thanks a lot for tuning in. Join the public Telegram group, link in the description. The Discord, free Discord, free Discord group is also in the link is also in the description if you want to join the Discord. If you want to upgrade to the premium also, you can just let me know so I can give you access to all the trade setups, all these alt big pumps, BTC trade setup, AVE trade setup, Algo, Atom, Balancer, BZRX, BAT, some crazy target to the upside, XTZ, Dogecoin. I don't have any, but if you're a Doge fan, if you want to join, we definitely can give you a great analysis for Doge and all of that good stuff. DOT, we've been bullish on it since like $4, guys. Been telling you to buy DOT right there, guys. We've been very bullish on that. EGLD, we've been bullish on it since like $7. All of these targets in our premium group right there. Told you guys also in the public group, sucker gonna be pumping to 15. We say hold it. It can basically even go all the way up to $100. So it is still a good hold over the next like a few weeks and so on. Ethereum almost 1300 right now. It is still a hold. If it drops anywhere around like a 1080, 1100, it is still going to be a buy. If it breaks below it, we're gonna take a look at it. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick recap of what we talk about, right? ICX, we did not talk about it, but it did hit our resistance at 93, so a good level to be taking profits. You could potentially see another drop on ICX anywhere around this area of a 53 to a 60 cents, going to be a good buy. But versus BTC is very bullish. It is above like 2800 to 2700 is resistance. So any drop again versus BTC could just be a potential dodge move to the upside. IOTA, we did talk about it. I think we talked about IOTA, right? It is still a hold. Okay, it is just moving sideways. IOTA BTC could be correcting over the next like a few days and so on before another major move to the upside. Kava for Tyler, we talk about Kava. We're still bullish on Kava on the 8-hour basis. Pretty bullish, right? It is just moving sideways, but most likely, okay, if we do not see a potential reversal on the crypto space, right, it could reverse 50%, but it is okay, but it is still going to be a hold for another move to the upside. Immediate target going to be $2.90 to $3. Okay, bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay, Kusama, we did not talk about Kusama, but you guys know my take on Kusama. Since Kusama was like 68 to a 51 range, we said we're gonna pump all the way up to 111. That's what we did exactly. Link premium group target range 20.2, 21.2, hit target beautifully, guys. And what we said for Link, hold it. Okay, huddle it. Okay, we got a potential target all the way up to 32 to 37. So Link, it is still a good hold. Versus BTC, it could get the job done, but I'm afraid we're gonna get another rejection right here just to move sideways before the next move to the upside, right? So Link, it is still a good hold, right? Next one, Litecoin, we talked about it, 128. We said Litecoin could be potentially pumped back up to resistance 160. If we break it, we can challenge 178. All right, guys. So OMIs ago, once again, during the live stream, we talked about it. I'm bullish on OMG. We long OMG right here, long OMG right here, and we're looking to long OMG right there. Okay, we already buying it. Okay, we're still looking to pump it all the way up to $5, guys. We did not talk about ontology, but we talk about QDM, guys. QDM BTC still a bullish setup right here. Could be a Dogecoin next. Okay, QDM USD still same thing. Okay, drop right here. We said take it to the upside. Buy it right here. It is still a hold. It can still pump above $4 and potentially next upside potential target $5. Did not talk about SNX, but SNX, it is still a hold. Support going to be your 8-hour 100 EMA. Any dips got to be bought up. Our biggest gainer over the last few hours, it is SXP. It is SXP. I told you SXP, BZRX, TRB, Tron. Okay, Carver, top 5 coins to be holding going in February, March, going to make some big move. SXP already initiated the big move. All right, BZRX already initiated the big move. TRB is getting the job done right now. We're speaking. Okay, it is up massively versus BTC, 126,000 and potentially up to 220,000, guys. I don't even need to talk about Tron. It is still a sleeping giant. It can still drop versus BTC, but versus a dollar, but versus a BTC, that's going to be Dodge 2.0, and we could see a potential 80% move over the next few days, not few weeks. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the live stream. Make sure to subscribe once again, join our public Telegram group, and join Send Crypto on fire, guys. Thanks a lot, guys.